Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. All right, so today LJ and I are doing some Aero work. So we had, sorry about the glare there. So this weekend I had the wing put on, C-bond wing, carbon fiber wing. So pretty happy about that. Looks pretty slick. And then what we've done is we've taken the Extreme online store splitter and skirts, and we've carbon wrapped them so it'll match the hood and the top of the car here. So we're gonna put that on. We got the splitter right here. So what we've done is we've wrapped them. We're gonna go ahead and put on some adhesive, the automotive adhesive tape. We've got to pre-drill some holes underneath here, and then we'll mount it up. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and get the drilling all started, and we'll come back and show you the results of that. So we'll get this splitter on, and then we'll get the skirts on, and we'll check out the whole Aero package. So we got this up, and it doesn't work. This thing's too short. You get hooked over here on this side, and it bows down, so it just isn't working at all. So kind of changed gears a little bit and went and put the side skirt on. So here's the side skirt. It looks like it fit up pretty well. I got to get it off these ramps so I can get the wheel off and get this done and get the front end done. But really, basically, if you can see this very well, there's just a series of screws. So you just drill a little pilot hole and screw the screws in. And really, I mean, you know, it's on there pretty solid. So I think we're gonna be okay there. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, get that on, and we'll at least have the side skirts on. You have to do something different with the front splitter because that just is not gonna work. So we'll back in a little bit. Okay, so we got the splitters on. Or I'm sorry, the side skirts on. They look pretty good. I mean, really, it's not, it's more of a plastic type material, so, but it's still in there pretty firm. I got the end plates on, so what we had to do is, obviously had to screw the holes. They supply some screws. I got some different ones, a little bigger ones. I think it worked a little better than what was supplied from the kit. And then you have to take the back tire off to get this end plate on. But all in all, pretty simple little project. It certainly enhances the look. It kind of finishes out. Sorry about the glare, I did that again. I like the look. It certainly enhances the look and the finish of it. Kind of bummed out about the front splitter, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do with that. So I got a call on Monday and see what the skinny is with that. So we'll do that, and I'll report back and let you know what they're gonna do. And, we'll figure that out. But you know, all in all, not a bad project, and certainly like the looks of it. It kind of finishes up these base models. Just kind of looked a little plain, unfinished. Certainly with the big wing on there, needed something to help out with. God, that glare's terrible. I apologize again. Certainly needed something to finish out because this wing really made a big difference. So we'll call them on Monday, see what they'll do for us, and I'll report back and we'll finish this up. Okay, so we got the splitter on. I got a hold of the folks at Extreme Online Store. They gave me a few tips. It went on okay. It's not great. The fitment isn't awesome. The side skirts went on really, really good. As you can see, these things just went on pretty nice. Obviously, I wrapped them. But the front splitter it doesn't fit very well, and you can see it doesn't line up very well. So wasn't a whole lot to show you. Screwed up, went nice. Excuse me, went really nice. The side skirts, like I said, went on pretty easy. The splitter, not so much. So I'm not super impressed with the splitter, but the side skirts definitely a thumbs up on that. So here we go. Let's do a quick walk around of the C6 and see what we got here. So you can see we got the splitter there, got the side skirts on, got the big wing. I love the big wing. I know it's a love it or hate it type of deal, but I really do like it. It's pretty nice, exposed carbon fiber. It's got that wet look, so it looks pretty nice. Then obviously the skirts over on this side. So you know, all in all, pretty happy with the results. Probably without any problems would have been maybe an hour and a half. You know, not too big of a deal. Pretty cool. Like the looks. Really changes the looks of the car. Really adds the Aero look to it, which is pretty cool. So, like I said, you know, pretty easy task. Splitter I'm not so sure on the splitter from those guys, but skirts definitely a thumbs up on that. Short video tonight. That's all we really had. Not a lot to report. Just got those things put on. Wanted to show you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want some merch, please check out our website. It's CorvettePosse.com. I got the link below. We'll put it on the screen down here. Check it out. I got some cool shirts. Got 3 designs. Got some hats. That's all we really got. So thanks for watching. We will catch you soon. Thanks.